Valve announced earlier this month that its Steam Link game delivery service would reach mobile by the end of May, and now we have a beta version on Android to play with it. The application is live on the Google Play Store starting today and will allow you to stream complete PC games through Steam while your smartphone is connected to a nearby PC through a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and the PC is connected directly to your router. On Ethernet connection for now, it seems that you cannot use Steam Link on LTE. You can play games on your mobile device using the Steam controller and, presumably, any other device with Bluetooth gamepad, which includes the Xbox One controller and other Android-compatible devices. Valve has not yet released a full list of supported drivers. The app will also work on Android TV set-top boxes, as long as your Android TV is directly connected to the same router as your gaming PC. Valve says the app should support 4K at 60 FPS, but that 1080p at 60 FPS will be the standard quality bar for most titles.